We just got a report that came out that showed that home prices are 6.3 higher this time of year than they were a year ago. Now, a lot of people are thinking, oh, there's going to be a crash, They were saying that in 2019. I don't see it happening. We're just having crazy inventory shortages still. Unemployment is still rather low. Interest rates are still high, but that also means the economy is trying to hum, and we're catching up. And so trying to push that down is a tough work.
Yeah. But the good news is, too, because interest rates are hovering at that 7%, people are understanding the buyers need closing costs and different things like that. But I'm going to tell you guys a little secret. Every year, July and December, we have business slow because of holidays. And in July, we have 2 big holidays in Utah. So people just don't want to bother with home stuff. Yeah. And so what happens is the people who are trying to sell their home are panicking. Oh my gosh, this is the longest. Everybody's saying the market's gone up in price, but nobody's buying my house. What am I going to do?
Days on the market matters too. That keeps climbing. So.
Yeah, and so they start to feel panic. So here's a little secret. If you're thinking about buying, do it now during July. Give us a call because we'd love to help you, because this is the time for us to negotiate a lower price, closing costs, doing all of that. And so now is the time to take advantage of that. And we've got this great little window for the next 3 weeks. So give us a call and we'll help you out with that. So don't panic.
Yeah, don't panic or take advantage of the panic on the other side and get yourself a great deal.
Yep. We'll talk to you then.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.